Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat notifications. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat notifications, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, but don't click here clear data because it can make problems on your application. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.